Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, with biometrics started in India at VFS Center, I mean Canada Visa Application Center, a lot of people asked me make a video about how to fill up this VFS consent form. So this is what we are gonna do in this video. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So in front of you I have opened this VFS consent form where first they have described their services, terms, condition and everything. Alright, so each person who is submitting or going for biometric needs to fill up this on their own. So name, put your name here, address, put your address, telephone number, email address, signature, date, signed at, city, country. So let's say you are signing at Chennai. So Chennai, India. Now consent for indirect submission and or collection. So this section is not applicable in many cases. This is gonna be applicable in your case only if somebody else apart from the applicant is going there. For example, your travel agent or an authorized person. So in that case, this needs to be submitted because you are not going there physically in order to submit your passport. I give my consent to Canada Visa Application Center. This to give my documents from to name of the person to submit the application or collect on the decision on my behalf, relationship, signature and date. It's very simple. Now this section similarly is applicable for those who get assisted by CAVC staff with electronic application form, name, signature, date. I don't have to explain much about that. Now this is for the biometrics application, applicants wishing to provide biometrics. So name, signature, date. And this is for those who don't want to provide biometric. So this is not something you would like to do because like biometrics have been made mandatory. So I'm not discussing this section at this moment. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.